In this video, we'll look into SQL question and answers part 10. Question would be, what are the yearly sales of sales person? For that, let us create the table sales test. We delete this. So now create table SQL basics dot dbo dot sales test. We have salesperson ID, is integer null, and we have date time per date, then have sales. So let us create this table. Execute. So now I will right click tables, fresh, have this sales test table created. Columns, salesperson ID, int, order date, date time, and sales. Now let us insert some values into it. Already prepared these values. So here we are inserting into this table values. Salesperson ID 1, this salesperson ID 1 for 2019 531, that is this May. For the May, he has got this sales 100 100 100, and for June he has got this sales 100 100 100 100. So this is for June, it is 400, and for May it is 300. So let us insert these values. Okay. Now select star from SQL basics dot dbo dot sales. If I execute this, now we'll have these values entered into the table. Now let us enter one more salesperson. Same thing, and let me say this is salesperson 2. Same sales. So let us enter this data too and see, select star from. So we have 1 and 2 data entered. So now we have to find out the yearly sales. So we'll select from SQL basics sales test, and we'll select the columns salesperson ID, comma, we want the yearly sales. So year of, we already have this year function, inbuilt function, order date as fire, and sum of we have sales as total sales. And now we group by salesperson ID and year of order date. And we'll order by these two only. Order by, if I execute this now, the yearly sales are 700 for salesperson ID 1, 700 for salesperson ID 2. So if you look at the data, salesperson ID 1 is up to here and everything is 2019 for months May and June 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700 for this person, and from here you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700 for the salesperson ID 2. Now we have seen the yearly sales of each salesperson. Now we'll see what are the monthly sales. So the next question would be, what are the monthly sales of each sales person? So for that, let us get the same query now. And then here, instead of year, we'll change it to month, and this should be month, and this should be month, this should be month. Then go. So let's execute this. The salesperson 1 for month of 5, 300, for month of 6, 400. Same is the case with salesperson 2. We see the original data and compare it. Execute. So salesperson 1 for the month of 5, 1, 2, 3, it is 300. And salesperson 1 for the month of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 400. Same is the case with salesperson ID 2 because we entered the same data. So now in this query, it is showing the numbers for the month 5 and 6. So we want the name of the month to be displayed instead of these numbers. For that, we'll change this to date name. Date name of comma order date. And this one also date name of comma order date. This one also date name of comma order date. Now if I execute this, we are getting for the month of June it is 400, for the month of May it is 300, and for the month of June it is 400, and for the month of May it is 300. here it is, you're getting it in the alphabetical order. And you can create a function for the month names and compare it, give it numbers, and then you can get it in that order if you want to see it in the order of the calendar months. So that's how we can find out the yearly sales and monthly sales of the salespersons. And we have displayed the month names also instead of month numbers. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.